Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen donut. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing Pusheen. Let's draw a curve for the top of the head. Then from both sides, let's bring it up. Now on the left, let's curve it down and in. And for the right side, let's do the same thing, but we're going to bring it out to the right and in like this. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curve down and up, and another one on the right for the feet. And then a curve across in the middle. Now top and side at the top, and let's draw a line down and curve it up. And the same next to it on both sides. Now underneath for the mouth, let's draw two curves down and out. And then two circles for the eyes. And color these both in black. Now top out, and let's draw two curves on the left and two on the right, overlapping the side here for the whiskers. And that's it for Pusheen. Now top out, and let's draw the donut. Let's start on top, and let's draw a long curve down to the left and back in underneath. Now from the top, let's continue it over to the right side and a longer curve out on the right at the bottom. And then close it off with a curve on the right. Now top inside, and let's draw a wavy line down on the right side here. Now inside on the icing, let's add some sprinkles. Let's start on top, and let's draw two diagonal lines and connect it on both ends with a curve. Now let's work our way around, drawing some more sprinkles like this. And then along the left side, let's draw a few curves in like this. And that's it for the donut. Now on the right side, let's add the tail. Let's start with a curve up and bring it around underneath. And then add three curves inside. And that's it for this Pusheen donut. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!